Today I am going to show you how you can fix verification code not received for any of your social platform. So let's begin the video. To begin with, here I am going to open my Chrome browser, and once I logged into my Chrome browser, here I will search for the what number does Instagram send verification code. Here you can write any of your platform of which you want to see the number. Then here I clicked on the second link, and here as you can see this number. Here I will copy this number and go back to my apps library. Now I will open my contacts app, and here I will save this number. To save this number, I will type in the name in the names section, and then in the number section I will write the number. After that my number will be saved. Now surely you will receive verification code. Another issue that might be is that you have blocked that number. To check this, you have to go to settings and then into block section, and here you have to click on the block option. Once I click on the block option at the top, here I will see the list of contacts whom I have blocked. Here if I see any number in the block list, then I will remove the number. Once I have removed the number, then surely I will receive a verification code. But if still you don't receive any code, now what you have to do is you have to restart your phone. Once you have restarted your phone, now your phone will be refreshed, and now you will be able to receive verification codes. So that's how you can fix verification code not received issue.